So as you can see, the port selection on this laptop is very good. So let's have a look. So on the right hand side we have two USB 3.1 jack, and we have speakers as well as vents for fans. On the back hand side we have one HDMI cable, one G-Sync, one USB Type-C connector, and one Alienware connector, and one power cable cord. And on the left hand side we have one vent for air, one speaker, one Ethernet port, one combo micro jack, and one USB Type 3.1 jack. So as Razer Blade claims that it has vents inside its keyboard, Alienware has vents on the top, but it's not as that of Razer Blade. You can see on the top it has one vent over here and the other vent over here. So it's not kind of similar to Razer Blade, but they are trying to do their best to make it as heat recessive as Razer Blade. So this laptop does go hot, and I mean hot. So like the maximum temperature I have played the game on, it went to 99 degrees Celsius, near about 83 degrees Celsius. It's hot on maximum power.
So now I'm going to do the live test of this game. So as you can see that I just started the game and just playing the game. You can see the temperature of this CPU is 78. Starting even if still not even play the game, temperature is peaking to 79, and the GPU temperature is going just 49. It's just minimal, and the performance rate of this CPU is like it's on thermal around high. And you can see this. So let's play the game and let's know what temperature is going on. So I just started playing the game. As you can see right now, the temperature has risen a lot. The CPU temperature is 91 degrees Celsius and the GPU is 68 degrees Celsius. So you can say that the GPU is maintaining the temperature, but the CPU is not. I think the last speed of the both are very high, but even though the GPU is 65, but temperature of the CPU is 94, 89, 94, 94, 89, 94. So let's have a look at the other game we were going to play, which was Battlefield. And you know, it's a very cool game, people like to play it a lot. So let's have a look, let's have a play of this game too. And I think so the temperature of this game after playing this game will also be the same. That's the temperature I'm telling you, it's going to be the same. So let's have a look. So you can see after playing that Battlefield 5 also the temperature is the same, 62, 93, 94. It's just going on the same way. It's like you stick on one plane, it's not going anywhere. Whatsoever I do with this game, it's not going anywhere. I'm trying my best. I've even changed the thermal paste and everything, but no, it's just sticking with the same temperature. So in the end, I can say that the temperature perspective, this computer is not the thing you want. It becomes very hot. With the WASD keys, you can work, but with the other keys, it becomes hot. The trackpad is good. The place where you rest your hands, it becomes hot, but not that hot that you can't even place. You think it's not that hot, but it becomes sometimes hot. So in the
end, I would say that this laptop is a very good laptop in Alienware line, because the thinnest laptop they have made, and yeah, it's a thin laptop, and this laptop is a good one if you are want a laptop which you can carry to the college, and then this laptop is the best laptop you can get. So yeah, it goes hot, but you know, you have to give some compromise, because it's thin and spacious and has more RAM, and you can do a lot of things on it without even charging it for a lot of time. So I would say if you want a thin laptop, go for it. if you don't have any problem with the heat. So thank you for watching this video, and please give a big thumbs up, and I hope you will like this video. Thank you.